The Lennox SL28XCV is a high-efficiency gas furnace that may display a high-pressure lockout error. This signals that the furnace's high-pressure switch has been activated as a safety measure. This prevents damage from excessive gas pressure or airflow issues. Essentially, the furnace shuts down to protect itself. We'll explain what this means and why it happens. The high-pressure switch is the key component that monitors the furnace's safety. It watches gas manifold pressure and inducer blower airflow to prevent dangerous conditions. Common causes that trigger the error include clogged air filters that restrict airflow, faulty inducer motors that fail after several years of use, gas valve problems, and the need for altitude adjustments in high elevation areas. Ultimately, anything that causes pressure to exceed safe levels will activate the switch and result in a lockout to protect the furnace. Before attempting any fixes, ensure the furnace is completely off and the gas supply is properly isolated. This is crucial for safety to prevent any accidents. Next, enter the unit's diagnostic mode. Typically, this involves holding the reset button for about 5 seconds. Always check your manual for the exact instructions specific to your model. Once in diagnostic mode, the error code will appear on the display board, such as E2 or high-pressure fault. This helps identify the specific issue. Often, the simplest fixes are the most effective for resolving high-pressure lockout errors. Start by replacing your air filters, as a clogged filter drastically reduces airflow. Next, inspect and clean any blocked vents. Restricted airflow is a primary cause of high-pressure lockouts. Try these steps before moving on to more complex solutions. First, replace your air filters. A clogged filter drastically reduces airflow through the furnace system. Next, inspect and clean any blocked vents. Restricted airflow from blocked vents is a primary cause of high-pressure lockouts. Remember to try these simple solutions first before attempting more complex repairs. When basic fixes don't resolve the high-pressure lockout error, advanced troubleshooting focuses on the pressure switch and inducer motor components. The pressure switch itself may be faulty. Begin by checking if the switch is malfunctioning. Inspect the wiring connected to the switch for any signs of damage or corrosion. If the switch or wiring shows issues, replace the pressure switch. This typically costs between $50 and $150. Similarly, a failing inducer motor can cause airflow problems leading to the lockout error. Listen carefully for any unusual noises coming from the inducer motor area. Also check for weak or insufficient airflow coming from the inducer. Lennox has released firmware updates, such as version 2.4, that enhance error code logging and remote monitoring for the SL28XCV furnace. Check if your SL28XCV is running the latest firmware to ensure optimal performance. These updates provide guided fixes directly through the Lennox iComfort app and improve the accuracy of error detection, reducing false positives. The app enables remote monitoring, allowing you to track and resolve issues from your smartphone. It offers guided fixes for common problems and enhances error detection to minimize unnecessary lockouts. Overall, these features reduce false positives, making the furnace more reliable and easier to maintain. Real-world examples help illustrate how the Lennox SL28XCV high-pressure lockout error manifests in different settings. In a Minnesota home, a frozen condensate drain caused back pressure during extreme cold, leading to lockouts. Thawing the drain and installing a heated kit solved the problem. In a Texas commercial building, dusty filters from construction restricted airflow, triggering errors. Bulk filter replacements and blower upgrades reduced lockouts significantly. These scenarios demonstrate common triggers and effective solutions, emphasizing the importance of maintenance. If you're uncomfortable with any of these steps, or if the problem persists, contact a certified HVAC technician. Ignoring the issue can lead to more costly repairs or safety risks. Preventative measures, like annual tune-ups and using Lennox-approved filters, can significantly reduce the chances of future lockouts. Remember to always consult your Lennox manual for specific instructions and safety guidelines.